going on, DAs and YouTubers? This is Giovanni, the dental assistant. Now, gloves is one of the most important equipments we use to protect us. However, gloves can also bring happiness, joy, and a sense of calmness to the patients. How, you ask? Easy. With one of these. Follow me right this way. I'll show you. Alright, so what you're going to need is some gloves, a marker, and a
imagination.
I'll put a link below if you guys want to look at more ideas for animal gloves, alright? DAs, take care that the patient does not have any latex allergies if you're going to be using latex gloves. Another thing is, make sure that the parents of children are okay with having an animal balloon. Some parents don't mind their children to have glove animals. Some do. First animal we're going to start with is the elephant. Some people say it looks like an elephant, some people say it looks like a pig. We're just going to call it Elapig. You fill it up, not too much, just a little bit. Tie it right here. Once you tie it, you're going to make the legs to the elephant, or the Elapig. Tie the pinky and the ring finger. Tie the index and the middle finger. Now you have your legs. Some of them might look deflated. Just push on it a little bit so the air can go into it. Okay, just like that. Now you have the form of it. All you have to do, you take your marker. I'm going to draw two eyes here. Make a little smile here. Put the ears of the elephant or the Elapig. There you go. Nice little Elapig there. Alright, second balloon animal or glove animal we're going to make is going to be the squid. Now this one, you're going to have to take the pinky and the thumb and tie them together before you actually put air into it. So again, take the pinky and the thumb. And you're going to tie those together. Okay, on the inside. Once you tie them together in a knot, now you blow it. This one you can blow a little bit more. You tie it up at the top. Okay. You have sort of like a little squid formation here. What you do then, take your marker, make two big eyes. Fill them in. You can make a nice big smile. There you go. You have your little squid there. So the last animal, you really could do whatever you like with this one. You could put the face however you want to put the face and add anything really that you want to add to it. I'll show you guys exactly what I'm talking about. So you got a form like this. You can make it into like a chicken or something like that. Once you have your marker, pretty much be creative however you want to be. Okay, I like putting nice big smiles on there. Alright, and you put a nice happy face there. Fill it in with the eyes. If you want, you can even try to do like a bow with it. Okay, put eyelashes. There you go. These glove animals are great for kids who are scared, for adults who may be nervous about a certain procedure, for birthdays, or maybe even a patient needs a little pick-me-upper. Hope these ideas was useful. Please share with fellow assistants. Leave any comments or suggestions you may have below. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button. And remember, keep styling, keep smiling.